Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Nandarini with NPM number 244111021 with Management Study Program. In this video, I will explain material about externality. Externality is a condition where economic activities by individuals or companies affect third parties who are not directly involved in the transaction, either in the form of positive or negative impacts. The impacts caused by these economic activities are not reflected in market price and actually require government intervention to improve efficient resource allocation. Types of externalities. 1. Positive externalities. Positive externalities occur when an economic activity provides benefit to third parties who are not involved in the activity. Example of positive externalities include education. Higher education not only benefits the individual studying, but also society as a whole because it produces a more productive workforce. Technological innovation. New discoveries in technology, such as the discovery of medicines or environmentally friendly technologies, can provide benefit to the wider society. Park or green open space. The construction of urban park that improve air quality and provide space for recreation benefit everyone in the surrounding area. 2. Negative externalities. Negative externalities occur when economic activities cause loss or damage to third parties who are not involved in the activity. Example of negative externalities include pollution, industries that dump hazardous waste into rivers or air can damage the environment and endanger public health. Traffic jams. Drivers who decide to drive their own vehicles without considering their impact on traffic jam disturb other people stuck in traffic. Infectious diseases. The spread of a disease such as a pandemic can have a detrimental impact on the broader society, even though infected individuals may not directly harm others. Impact of externalities. Loss of social welfare. When externalities exist, markers tend to fail to reflect the full impact of an economic activity. This can lead to an imbalance between price cost and social cost. In the case of negative externalities, or between private benefit and social benefit in the case of positive externalities. Underproduction or overproduction. In the case of negative externalities, there is often overproduction, production of more goods or services than necessary, because producers do not pay the social cost of the pollution or damage caused. In contrast, in the case of positive externalities, there is underproduction, production of less goods or services than should be, because individuals or companies are not compensated for the social benefit they provide. How to deal with externalities. Taxes or subsides. government regulation, market approach, education, and public awareness. Sample case are pollution by factories, negative externality. Free education, positive externality. Conclusion. Externalities reflect the market's failure to take into account the impact of economic activities on third parties. To address this problem, approaches involving taxes, subsidies, regulation, or market mechanisms such as property rights and treaties can be used to achieve a more efficient and fair allocation of resources. With the right policies in place, companies and individuals will better take into account the social impact of their action. Thank you.